Hello everyone! Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Thank you so much once again for being here with me, whether you're watching this live or on replay. So once again, my name is Orby. I am a mom, a registered nurse, and a digital business owner. So for today's live, we will be talking something important, especially sa mga working parents, healthcare professionals, at mga nurses na tulad ko. So how do I manage my business without quitting my job? So one of the biggest fears na naririnig ko lagi sa mga kausap ko is, paano ko ba sisimulan tong business na to? Kailangan ko bang mag-resign? Kailangan ko bang mag-quit ng job? Well, honestly, the answer to that is no. Alam mo yung thought lang ng pagre-resign or yung pagko-quit, it can be really stressful at risky siya. At hindi siya topic na pwede mong biglain or pwede mong desisyonan ng ganun-ganun na lang. And that is okay. Walang problema dun. Kasi especially pag ikaw yung nag-work na sa isang company or sa isang job ng matagal. So talaga pag-iisipan mo, di ba? So for me personally, what was my approach when I started this business? So different business owners can have their own approaches, but this is my personal approach. Okay, so number one, I didn't quit my nursing job. I've been a nurse for over 15 years, and when I joined this business, it gave me an option. Okay, but my nursing profession gave me a stability. Bakit? Because this is the one that pays my bills, and that is very honest. Okay, so removing that financial pressure allowed me to think clearly, pero hindi desperately. Number two, I treated my business as a system at hindi siya hassle. So ginagawa ko yung business ko every day, but not the whole day. So you have also to give yourself a time to breathe. So what do? So I spend small, focused time for my business. So kapag gigising ako sa umaga at may time pa ako, or pagkatulog ng anak ko sa gabi, or when I do my household chores or my free time. So, ginagawa ko siya in between. That is the beauty of this business actually. Kasi it gives you the time to choose kung kailan mo siya gagawin. Always lang na iisipin nyo when you do this business is consistency. Kailangan mong maging consistent, but not intense. Okay? And number three, I chose flexibility, but not perfection. So, may mga araw na I'm working more hours towards my business at meron din naman mga araw na short hours lang. It depends on my flexibility. So, like me, a mom, a nurse, a healthcare professional, life happens. Unexpected moment happens. Kaya, gusto ko tong gawin tong business na to kasi it's very flexible. I can do it at my own time, my own pacing, walang problema. So, lagi mo lang iisipin na the goal is always progress, but not for you to be burned out. Okay? So, paano ba? May mga araw na sinabi ko sa sarili ko na parang hindi pa ako ready. Parang hindi ito yung perfect moment para gawin yung business na yan. Before akong mag-start ng business, inisip ko yun. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, wala na siguro magiging perfect timing, magiging perfect moment. Or kailan pa kaya ako magiging ready, di ba? Kailangan gawin ko yung first move na yun. At saka, nung ginawa ko tong business na to, I was tired, I was busy, I was unsure. Pero alam mo kung ano yung difference? I was willing. I was willing to make that move. I was willing to do everything to make that change for me, for my family, which is my biggest why. So sabi ko nga, slowly, I will build my confidence in this business, and I am always learning as I go. So laging consistency, prayers, and dedication. So this approach of mine worked for me, and it may work for you if you are looking for or needing security while building something, or you want to learn something and upskill without being pressured, or you want flexibility but not chaos. So, pwede ka naman mag-start. You don't have to go all in, okay? You just have to be honest, you just have to be clear, you just have to be intentional, and syempre, you have to be steady. Kasi kapag nag-decide ka in doing something, you have to continue. Well, that's for me. If I start something, walang balikan. Kailangan move forward lagi. Kaya you have to think and see if this is really for you, if this will really fit in your lifestyle, in where you are right now. Okay? So if you are watching and thinking, parang gusto kong itry yan, pero parang hindi pa ako ready sa ngayon, well, okay lang yan. You are not behind. For me, you are being responsible. Pero, syempre, you have to make a move. You have to make that brave move, that step, para marating mo yung kung ano yung goal mo. And kung ano yung reason mo kung bakit mo gustong simulan tong business na to. Okay? So, if this resonated to you, please let me know. Message me. Let me know your thoughts. And I assure you that we will have more honest conversations like this coming up. Okay? Thank you so much once again for joining me today. My name is Orby. I'm your Nurse CEO. I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.